tayo. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Just like our ritual for our community, I'm eager to know kung saan ka nanonood ngayon, which city, which country, which part, baka nasa ano ka, baka nasa Netherlands ka ngayon, hindi natin alam. So, pakitype na lang guys sa mga chat if you hear me at saan ka ngayon. UAE, Iraq, wow, NCR, Butuan, Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, wow, grabe, international. Antipolo po. Antipolo, shout out. La Trinidad, Benguet. All right. All right, all right. Okay, wow, Russia. Okay. Qatar, Zamboanga City, UAE. Dami, dami. Singapore, wow, welcome, welcome, welcome po lahat. Okay. Congratulations for joining us tonight. And then let me just share my screen. By the way, yung video na nakita nyo earlier was the video of Ma'am Maricho, originally from Cebu City. So, Bisaya to siya. Kaya medyo nahirapan yung iba kasi Bisaya like me, medyo mahirapan magtagalog. Pero wala siyang idea talaga sa forex trading. Nag-try lang siya. So, nag-start siya December, inaral niya, nagkaroon ng intent. Anyway, mamaya i-share natin. Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Sultan Kudarat. Okay. Set aside muna natin yung mga set aside muna natin yung mga political issue. Ang sa atin ngayon is muna natin yung mga sarili natin. Paano tayo kikita ng dollar. Alright? Habang medyo tahimik ang mundo. Alright? Okay, guys. Who's ready to start? Can you drop number 1 if you're ready to start? Tonight, we have a very special topic. It's called winning psychology. Okay? The mindset of highly effective traders. Sino dito gusto maging profitable in forex trading? Can you type dollars? At magkano yung gusto mong i-profit? Like, ano yung goal mo? Dapat may goal ka. Ilang dollars ba per week? Do you want $500 per week? $1,000 per week? Yun yung i-type mo. $500 per week, $1,000 per week, $100 per week. Yun yung type mo. Thank you. Kay Alan, tama yan. 500. You are not bad, not bad. 500 is like 20,000 per week. Not bad if you're in the Philippines. 1,000 is like gaya ng kinikita ko sometimes, and sometimes masobra pa. 1,000 per week is like 50,000 per week. Okay. And then coach me $100, $500. Congratulations. Goal number 1 to be successful, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. And now na alam mo yung gusto mo, congratulations, because the battle is half won. Ibig sabihin na partly, initially nakuha mo na. Kasi alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. At my next question is, are you willing to pay the price para makuha mo yung goal na yan? Okay? My next question is, are you willing to pay the price? The word pay the price there, it could be that are you willing to learn? Are you willing to invest in education? Are you willing to attend webinar like this? And by the way, congratulations. This time na binigay mo dito, that shows that you are willing talaga. So congratulations. Yung pagpunta po lang, pag-attend mo lang ngayon, hindi pala pagpunta kasi webinar pala ito. Yung pag-attend mo pala ng webinar, that's your investment na. It's you give some time, that means you are willing. Kasi po, kung gaano po kalaki yung gusto natin, it's not given. Success, it's not given. Okay, it is earned, and if you're willing to pay the price. Kaya tonight, pag-aralan natin, ano ba yung ginawa ng mga successful traders? Like Coach Gio, yan. Ano ba yung what kind of mind they are right now? Kasi they said that trading is 90% mindset. Trading is 90% mindset and only 10% skills. So yun ang pag-uusapan natin tonight. 5 principles on how to be a successful trading based on the psychology of the successful traders. Okay, kung ano yung mga iniisip nila. Alright, are you ready? Ready. Congratulations and welcome to community. Lahat kayo, you are part of the community sa GC. Ma-VIP community man yan or sa Pinoy Traders Community or Kabayan Traders Community, as long as kasama kayo sa GC and then sa Facebook ano natin. By the way, hindi ako nakapost doon sa Facebook group. Sa Facebook group natin, we are already more than, how do you call this one? We are already more than 100 of participants tonight. So, ibig sabihin, maraming talagang gustong kumita. Alright? So, congratulations and welcome to community. So, okay, tuloy-tuloy na ako guys. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na ako. Are you ready? Kasi I need to end this one at 9 p.m. kasi magti-trade pa ako. I'll be trading at 9:30 p.m. for US opening sessions. Okay. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo. May mga questions kayo. You can put somewhere. I hope I can answer all your questions. But tuloy-tuloy ako. So, be ready. Prepare yourself now because nag-start na tayo. Okay? I'm not wasting my time because I know that your time is valuable. So what is the mindset of, or what are the mindset, I would say, of a profitable traders? No? It's not that the winning trades formulated better trading strategies. Kaya ba sila naging palaging panalo kasi may maganda silang strategy? Kagaya ni Coach Uncle Nonoy na magandang strategies na nire-reveal namin doon sa mga VIP community. It's not that the winning traders are smarter. Mas smart ba sila? Mas bright ba sila? Kaya naging profitable sila? Okay? Or it's not that the winning traders are do better in market analysis. Mas magaling ba sila in terms of technical analysis, fundamental analysis? Kaya sila maging profitable? It could be. But the difference between what sets winners apart in trading is their mindset. Yung pinakauna talaga is their mindset sa trading. So can you type, are you tuned in right now with me? Can you type mindset if you're tuning in right now with me? I'd like to know if you're already all set. If you're already tuning in, can you type mindset? Okay. Ano ba yung mindset? Okay. Kasi they said that trading psychology is 90%. Grabe 90%. And the skills or your technical analysis is only 10%. Ganito ho katindi. Ganito ho ka-importante na gusto mong maging successful sa buhay. Like for me, if I quote for myself, for me, success is nag-start yan sa mindset mo. Everything. Everything. Kasi kung ano yung nilalagay sa utak mo, yun yung mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya marami akong in-advise, bro, positive mindset ka lang kasi mag-open tayo ng business, mag-open tayo ng trading. Bro, ganyan, ganyan. So, dapat tama yung mindset mo. Pag minsan naman, pag nakita ko talaga na mali talaga yung mindset, so hindi ko na pinapatulan. Kasi sometimes, it's not easy to cure a very wrong mindset, no? But may mga ibang tao talaga na ready na. Kagaya ninyo, I know that everyone is ready kasi nagbigay kayo ng time na inaral. Okay. Ma-enrolled man kayo or hindi man enrolled or soon to be enrolled, the fact na nandito kayo, would you like to tap yourself and say congratulations because you're about to earn dollars in this financial market. Okay, let me continue. I hope this sinks in with you. Okay. Winning psychology, I say, yan yung topic natin tonight. Warning lang po, these principles may be hard pill to swallow. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Baka sasabihin mo, ay ano ba naman yan sir? Ano ba yan bro? Ano ba naman yan coach? Ang ano pa naman magsalita? Kung sa Bisaya pa, ang hait ba ni mo magsalita? Kumbaga, ang talas naman yung pagsasalita mo na natatamaan naman kami na parang na-slap naman kami. You know what guys? I want to be honest with you that in the business world, in the success world, real success needs real talk. Okay lang ba if mag-real talk ako sa inyo? I'm not babysitting you because in the business world, it's not easy. It's hard. In the trading world, it's not easy. It's hard. So ngayon pa lang, hard talk na tayo. Can I ask your permission that I can do real talk with you tonight? Is it okay? Thumbs up? Can you say okay? Because sa totoo lang naman talaga, to be successful, walang babysitting. Ano ba yung opposite ng real talk? Parang, di ba, the old school type, piniplease mo yung tao. Hindi ganun eh. In the business world, hindi ganun eh. You need to address some stress, you need to handle some pressure, you need to handle some hard situations that you need to handle for you to be successful. One of my good friend of mine sabi niya, if you cannot handle stress, you cannot handle success. So if you cannot handle my real talk tonight, it could be this may not be for you. But ganun talaga yung buhay. Minsan kailangan natin masampal para mabuksan yung mga, para gigising tayo. Okay? Okay lang ba sasampalin ko kayo lahat? Para nagigising tayo sa reality that these things kailangan ko itong gawin para maging successful. I hope do I have your permission tonight. All right, let's start. Alam niyo naman sa training journey, not just in trading, even in business or in success, may mga tinatawag tayong roadmaps eh. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na mga ups and downs. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na learning curve. Okay? So from here, your starting point, papunta dun sa goal mo na kumikita, mayroon kang mga learning curve na madadaanan bago ka makapunta doon. Di ba? First, nag-learn ka sa trading and then eventually, nakuha mo yung strategies ng community, which is I recommend, kopyan mo na yung strategies. Kasi it's so dugay to make your own strategies. So I have strategies for you like AI pattern scanner, and we have Uncle Nonoy's strategy, okay, which for you to grab if you are a VIP. And then we have live trading Abdallah strategy. And then after that, nag-test ka, nag-fail ka, and after nag-fail ka, nag-learn ka, nagkaroon ka ng discipline, which is very important. And eventually, naging successful ka. So lahat ng success, mayroon tayong tinatawag na learning curve or kailangan may proseso. Lahat may proseso. Okay. Can you type proseso? Process. Okay. Proseso or process. Okay. Mayroon tayong proseso para dyan para maging successful. Walang instant sa mundo. Instant coffee lang. Pero kaya ako ayaw ko yung instant coffee. Gusto ko brewed coffee talaga. Kasi mas masarap yung brewed coffee compared sa instant coffee. Alright? So, alam niyo ba? Ito, medyo trivia muna tayo. Okay. Hard talk na to first hard talk. Alam niyo ba that how long will it takes to make money? Ilang days ba kailangan mo para maging kumita ka talaga sa forex trading? Okay? So how many weeks or days per month? So ito yung mga eksperto. Okay, mga eksperto nagsasabi na many people put multiple years before breaking into consistent or even any profitability. It takes at least 1 year to consistently make money from day trading or swing trading. Wow! Sino dito mag-sacrifice ng 1 year? If working at it full-time or with a mentor, only working on one, maybe 2 strategies, focus ka lang sa isa or dalawang strategies. 6 months is the quickest. Ay, akala ko pag mag-join ako dyan next week, kikita na ako kasi gusto ko kikita ka agad. I don't want long term. I don't want 1 year. If learning part-time, expect to spend a year or 2 before making money. Okay? So personally for me, I started forex trading 2017. Naging profitable ako after 3 years. 3 years. Back then, wala pang community. Back then, wala pang academy. Back then, wala pang mga tools. Back then, wala pang mga AIs. I know may mga AIs na. Pero when I was inquiring to acquire AI at that time, like it needs, kailangan mo ng 200,000 to 400,000 para magkaroon ka ng tools, mamahalin na tools. At ito pa, hindi ko pa alam what kind of tools. Kung mayroon mang tools na magagamit ko, hindi ko alam what kind of tools na pwede kong gamitin. Alright? By the way, if you could open your camera, I would appreciate at least makikita ko, hindi lang yung mga larawan ninyo, pati yung mga mukha ninyo. Okay. Kasi, sa bagay, sanay naman ako magsalita sa kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Kasi yung mukha dito nakikita is ako lang. So from time to time, I've been asking you to chat something on the chat box so that I know that you're still there. Okay? Are you still there? So, sino dito gusto 1 year? Sino dito gusto, could you be very interactive? No, you can type in the chat box. Okay lang naman, that's part of learning. Actually, the more you type, the more you learn. Okay? 6 months po. Wow, grabe 6 months. All right. By the way, tonight, we're going to interview again. Last week, we interviewed like si Ma'am Marichu who earned 96,000 in 20 days lang po. Wow! So may good news. Hindi 1 year hindi 1 year. Oh, may hint, inaral niya December, January 2 nag-trade siya, kumita siya 96,000 within 20 days. 22 days something. Nandun naman sa full interview. At saka kumita siya, nakapag-withdraw siya 8 times. Alright? So, okay. So, that's the reality in Forex trading. That's the world. However, in Tagalog, subalit, datapwat, at ano pa bang, nonetheless, okay, in our community, hindi mo na kailangan mag-process pa ng 1 year. At hindi mo na kailangan 6 months. 6 months is too long for you. Bakit? Itong picture na makikita nyo is a living proof na gumamit ng strategy natin, gumamit ng cheat code natin, gumamit ng tools natin in just a span of 2 to 3 weeks. Sir Eman, o naging tito ka na ngayon kasi close na kami, Tito Eman, 66 years old when he started on October. I was not so impressed. One time, nag-message siya sa akin, Coach, thank you, kumita siya 97. And then another day, kumita siya, Coach, thank you, kumita siya like 100 plus USD. One day yun na, another day, Coach, thank you. Series yun, mga 5 screenshots. Ito yung last screenshots niya. Doon ako na-caught yung attention that Sir Eman pala, by the way, wait, plug ko muna yung si Sir Eman pala, na isang 66 years old, na hindi techie. Ano ibig sabihin ng techie? Hindi sanay sa computer. Hindi siya mahilig sa computer. Okay? Pero, nakayanan na because of our cheat codes na tinuro natin. Okay? So, as you can see here, sabi niya nga sa akin, Coach, actually, hindi lang 268 yon. Sa isang linggo ko yon is around 800 USD. 800 USD. Doon ka ma-inspired. Ibig sabihin, kung nakayanan ng isang senior citizen, nakayanan ng isang 67, ibig sabihin, kaya mo rin. Can you type in the chat box? Kaya ko rin. That's the mindset that we're talking about, mindset. Kasi pag iniisip mo, ay, baka magaling yan talaga. 67 years old nga ay, wala talaga. Mali talaga yung mindset mo, di ba? So, kung 5 yung finger niya at 5 din yung finger mo, kaya mo. Not unless yung 6 yung finger niya at saka sa'yo 4. Siyempre, hindi kaya. Kasi mayroon siyang sa kanya na wala sa'yo. Alright? So, type mo dyan, kaya ko rin. Alright? So, the more you type, the more you interactive, the more ka magli-learn, the more ka kikita. Baka sasabihin, ay, baka natsambahan lang yan, Coach, kasi beginner's luck and so on. Well, that's true. May mga nakachamba talaga. Okay? Dito sa atin, marami ding nakachamba. Pero since nakilala ko siya, so I have the privilege to meet him with some coffee shops. But this picture was taken in Naiya, papuntang, pauwi na Cagayan de Oro. We were attending a training. We spent like 30,000 plus for mastering, mga trading din. So nakita niyo naman talaga that he really learns. Of course, nag-enroll siya sa 149. And then, na-follow through ko sa kanya last December 10. Okay, that was October when he started. Naging consistent yung profitability niya. Kumita siya ng 545 in 1 day. Okay, then nag-follow through din another December. Kumita siya ng 312 in 1 day. Not bad. 67 years old. Okay. And then last 2 weeks ago, the end of February, we had a boot camp with some of the coaches. Ito si Marichu, Coach JL, Coach Stark, Engineer Green, Coach Michelle, at Coach Noel, Coach Gio. Ito yung kumakita ng 200,000, 100,000 per trade. Okay. So, Coach Eileen and Coach David and marami pa no, sa core group natin sa community. So, Coach Emma, nag-attend din siya kasi gusto niya talagang maging magaling sa trading. So, after that, continues yung earning niya, 204. Remember, 3-3? So, March 3-3. Bakit 3-3? Kasi yung katapusan ng training namin dati ng bootcamp is March 2. So, pagka Monday, nag-trade sila. Siyempre, fresh na fresh from learning, TP ka agad. Sa BTC account, TP. US30 account, TP. So, TP ka agad. So, nakita mo, naging consistent siya sa forex trading niya gamit ang cheat codes and dahil sa community natin. Are you with me? Nandyan pa ba kayo? Okay. Are you with me? Coles, anong tools yung gamit niya? Mamaya, pag-usapan natin. Anong tools yung gamit niya? Okay. Very good. Good questions. I like that. No, people are asking right questions. Okay. Remember that winning wages war on the battlefield of your mind. Now we're talking mindset. Sabi ni Tim Grover. Sino si Tim Grover? Si Tim Grover lang naman is personal coach ni Michael Jordan and ni Michael Jackson. Kobe Bryant. Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant. Dwayne Wade, name it. Pinag-aralan niya kung ano ba yung mga mindset ng mga champion na ito. This extraordinary successful individual. Ano ba yung mindset na mayroon sila? Sabi niya, winning wages on the battlefield of your mind. Pag nagtitrade ka, dapat alam mo na that you're going to win. Pag nagtitrade ka, dapat alam mo na you're going to get profit tonight. Okay, I'm going to get 200 tonight. Dapat sa mind mo na, kuhang-kuha mo na. Are you with me? Okay? Kuhang-kuha mo na. Huwag yung magtitrade ka na, ay, magtitrade ako para hindi ako kikita nito, parang matatalo ako. Ganyan. So, yun pa lang, talo ka na. Kasi, di ba? You are what you think. Do you think you can? You're right. If you think you can, you are right. So, talo ka na. So, pinaka-importante dito na pag-isipan natin is yung mind natin. Ito ba yung mindset ba? Mindset, di ba? Mindset. So, ito na yung battlefield natin talaga. So, ito yung pag-aaralin natin. Tama ba yung mindset natin sa forex trading? Alright. Okay. Sige. So, winning at trades or profitable trading. Number 1, are you ready? You can take some notes and the better. Okay. And also, by the way, yung gusto nyo mag-notes ito sa chat, pwede din. I-chat nyo lang so that ma-review din ng iba. Alright? So, feel free, be interactive. Number 1. So, dapat magkakaroon ka ng mindset that education first over profit or student mindset first. Okay? Can you type education? Ibig sabihin na yung una mong gustong makuha dito is hindi yung pera. Hindi yung profit. Kung gusto mong maging successful sa forex trading, yung una mong kukunin dito is yung tinatawag na yung education na pag-aaral. Remember, yung interview kanina ni Ma'am Maricho, I think also Ma'am Maricho is here. Paramdam ka naman, Ma'am Maricho, are you there? Sabi ni Ma'am Maricho kanina na inaral ko talaga lahat. No? Seryoso kong inaral by December. Siguro yung iba nag-party, pero siya inaral niya. Okay? So, inaral niya. So, education. Yun yung mindset. Hindi yung profit. And that's same with other any industry. Gusto mo maging seaman, kumita ng 500,000 sa isang taon, mag-aral ka bilang seaman. 4 years sa pag-aaral, 1 year sa pag-apply or 1 year sa tinatawag natin na yung practicum mo. So you will learn like 6 years, 7 years, matulog ka sa luneta. And then pag matanggap ka, you will earn 100, 200,000 per month as your initial salary. And eventually it will go on. So ganoon talaga yung gusto mong kumita, gusto mong maging successful talaga, kailangan mo ng education. Now, sabi ni, I think it was, sabi, I forgot, I just don't want to quote, that education in school can earn you a living, but self-education can earn you a fortune. So dito is self-education along with the help of the community na mas talagang ikaw yung aaral dito kasi wala namang magawa ka ng assignment mo, ito yung gawin mo, wala namang gumagawa sa'yo dito. So your education. But here's the truth, sampal number 1 or sampal number 2. Okay? Real talk number 2. If you focus on education, profits will eventually chase you. O focus ka sa learning, given na yan, yung profit makukuha mo lang, given na yan. I was there during the process of Coach Noel na tinatawagan niya talaga ako, nag-attend siya ng mga nang pumunta pa kami sa Maynila para mag-attend, magbayad ng more than 30,000 para ma-master yung technical analysis. Tapos dito, mayroon tayong technical analysis every Saturday. So, pinupuntahan yung mga kasama namin na medyo okay na sa pagtitrade. Nakita ko talaga how intentionally he is to learn in forex trading. At nakita nyo naman ang result right now. Mayroon na siyang tinatawag na 4 p.m. club. Every 4 p.m., nagsisend na siya ng results niya sa forex trading. Resulta na yung education niya. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, sino na-inspire kay Coach Noel? Uncle Noel, are you there? Okay. Most traders make a big mistake. Sampal na naman. They chase profit without learning the game. Alright? They chase profit first. Okay. So, ito yung question ka sa'yo. Sino dito gustong kumita? Me? Sino dito gustong matuto? Ano ba yung answer mo? Gusto mong kumita or gusto mong matuto? Natuto or gusto mong matuto? Okay? Okay. So, chase profit without learning the game, it's a big mistake because it will hurt your capital. Mahihirapan kayo capital. Oh. Matuto muna. Okay. Matuto muna. Okay. Guys, pasensya, Bisaya kasi ako. So, may mga terms na Bisaya. Yung mga Bisaya lang yung nakaintindi. So, the knowledge protects your capital actually. I remember one day, after the webinar, yung Introduction to Forex and Cheat Codes webinar, may nag-message and join sa GC, ganyan. Sabi niya, Coach, anong broker? Sabi ko, ito yung broker. Tapos nakita ko, kasi at that time, maliit pa naman yung pumapasok dun sa that was when my kababalik ko lang, mga 2 months, kababalik ko lang sa Forex, I started to build a community. Tapos sabi niya, okay, so nakita ko sa dashboard, nakita ko yung pangalan niya, nag-deposit pala siya ng 100 USD. Sabi ko, baka trader na ito, naghahanap lang ng magandang broker yung may bonus. Kasi CVT Markets kasi, may bonus. Okay, baka lang ito. In the morning, hindi ko naiwasan, tinitingnan ko dun sa kasi mayroon din akong IB, ang tawag introduce affiliate din ako. At tinitingnan ko naman dun. So na-shock ako kinabukasan early in the morning na negative na yung 100 USD. Sabi ko, saan napunta yung negative niya? So tinitingnan ko, may konting mga details pero hindi lahat makita namin. Nag-trade pala siya. When I was sleeping, he was trading. Alam niyo ba kung anong trade niya? 3 trade lang. Lahat-lahat. 3 trade lang. Okay lang sana kung 20 trades, 10 trades, at least makagain siya ng experience. 3 trade lang. Ano yung nangyari sa kanya? Yung capital na 100 USD, tapos yung trade niya na akala kasi niya sugal, na 3 trade lang, lahat natalo yun. So it's so clear na hindi niya alam kung anong ginagawa niya. At sayang yung capital niya kasi hindi siya nag-invest dun sa learning first. So your education, your learning, your knowledge in trading protects your capital. Kaya yung enrollment na 149 guys, hindi yun expenses. Investment mo yan sa sarili mo para maprotektahan eventually later on kung magka-capital ka, maprotektahan yung capital mo kasi alam mo na kung ano yung proper risk management. Alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. You still need to do some trial and error kasi lahat naman talaga yan. Pero hindi yung kagaya ng dati sa amin na kami talaga yung nagta-trial and error. Wala kaming strategy na pina-follow. It takes us years. Ito na ngayon. Baka MACD lang talaga, MACD lang. Bollinger lang talaga. Hanggang naging advanced kami, nagiging harmonic lang siguro talaga. Harmonic kasi may trading body din ako. na pareho din, walang alam. Pareho newbie. So, harmonic pattern. Kaya na-appreciate ko yung AI pattern scanner natin na Manara kasi harmonic pattern. Dinodraw namin yan. And then, baka baka Elliott wave. Okay, Elliott wave. Bumabot kami sa Elliott wave. So, grabe yung ano namin talaga. And then, sunog-sunog pa rin. So, wala pang learning. Kaya yung pinaka na-realize ko, guys, ano yung mga biggest downfall ko dati when I started Forex trading is, hindi ako nag-invest sa pag-aaral. Kaya yung 129 na yan, trust me guys, that's very cheap para sa pag-aaral mo sa Forex trading. Okay? Wala akong community at that time. Kaya when I back to trading, nag-build ako ng community para mayroon tayong support group. Okay? So, number 3, wala akong masyadong tools na ginagamit. Okay. So, next sabi ng isa sa master trader natin sa community,
enemy of a person is not the fear. The biggest enemy of any person is the illiteracy.
Yes.
Because when you are illiterate, then you will be afraid. If you are literate, if you understand what's happening, you will not be afraid.
Right.
Because you are afraid of the unknown. That's why for me, financial literacy or any kind of education, it's over important.
Sabi niya, your greatest enemy in yourself is illiteracy. Ibig sabihin, ang pinaka-greatest enemy mo, especially ito sa forex trading, kung wala kang alam. Yun yung hindi ka nagle-learn. Yun yung pinaka-greatest enemy. Kasi that's dangerous. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng fear. Kaya takot ka paano pumasok. Takot ka mag-trade kasi hindi mo alam. So lesson here is, forex education is the foundation of long-term success in trading. The more you learn, the more you earn. Yun yung ano natin dyan. Okay? So next guys, kasi lack of education, ito na. Lack of education makes a trader's easy target to fake signals. Maraming nag-o-offer na free signal. Bakit man ako magbabayad dyan? May free signal. Okay, sige, free signal. I have another story of this. I'm not saying fake signal. Let's just say that not quality signal. So may nag-ano sa akin sige coach, mag-enroll ako, pero i-trade ko man itong pera ko kasi may ito si kilala mo, follow ko sa signal niya. Tapos, after a few days, sabi ko, mag-enroll ka na, profitable ka na nasunog yung pera ko. Kasi, hindi mo alam. Kahit sino-sino lang yung pina-follow mo. And not only that, may mga tinatawag tayo na pass-by trades. That's no in our community. Kung may malaman kayo na somebody asked you that dito sasabay ka sa trade ko, let me know. Automatic yan. Kick out kita lahat kaagad yan sa GC or sa group. Kasi that's big no-no. Bakit ako big no-no? Diyan ako nadali before. Wala kang control over it. Okay, wala kang control over it. If I were you, mag-invest ka lang sa sarili mo or kung busy ka talaga, meron tayong AI trading. At least may control ka. Anytime pwede mong ma-withdraw. Okay? Or misleading na get rich quick scheme. Like, yung 10,000 mo, wala kang gagawin, magiging 50,000 or magiging times 10 in next month. Paano yan? Di ba? Kung totoong kumikita na sila sa ganyan, bakit pa nila kailangan yung pera mo? Kailangan nila yung pera mo kasi gusto nila mag-scam. Kasi na-scam tayo kasi wala tayong alam. Another sampal, okay? Now, that's hard talk. Ay, naging victim ako kasi ganyan. Siguro, wala naman siguro na-scam kung wala nagpapa-scam. So, we also have our own responsibility or I would say accountability. Bakit na-scam? And nakakatuwa guys, kasi sa community natin, I just find out that most of you dumaan na sa scam. Sino ba dito yung mga dumaan sa scam? Tawanan na lang natin. Kasi yun naman talaga. So, ako dumaan ako sa scam. I was scam. No? Lahat-lahat, umabot ng 800,000 yung na-scam ko. Which is still good news. Good news pa rin yan. Bakit? It shows that you are a risk-taker person. And it's one of a good behavior for you to be successful. Okay? That's good news. Pero wala na tayong nangyari na yan. Kaya nga inaral ko itong forex trading. Nag-research ako, inaral ko, bumili ako ng mga tools na kailangan. Kasi alam ko, the only way to win this one is me myself. Kailangan ko itong i-win. And then thank God, kasi dito na lahat yung ano ko sa family ko, bayad sa kotse, sa house, sa mga bata, sa private school, lahat. Dito na lahat sa forex trading. So, it pays na ano talaga kung bibigyan mo ng time. Alright? So, in our community, alam naman natin, meron tayong academy. So, yung mga hindi pa nag-enroll yan, yung 149 mo, ito pa lang, yung learning mo pa lang, sulit na. Mayroong basic, mayroong advanced masterclass. Sa masterclass, guys, meron dito stock market, and then meron din tayo dito smart trading, SMC strategies. So medyo advanced ito doon sa mga nag-start na mag-trade. So ito, anytime if you are busy, OFW, kung kailan yung time mo, pwede mong mapanood anytime. Pwede mong i-replay kung gusto mong, so you have from basic to advanced. Okay. Now, kung gusto naman yung live talaga na training, live training or Zoom or Tagalog version, meron din tayo every Saturday. So, every Saturday we have exclusive VIP live event or live training. Ang tawag dyan is chart mastery. Okay? So, pinag-uusapan natin dyan is technical analysis. Kasi, lahat ng strategy sa forex trading, kung malalaman mo yung technical analysis, mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. Okay? Mas madali mo siyang intindihan. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Every Saturday, sino yung maka-access? Pero hindi po ito lahat. Unfortunately, hindi lahat. Okay? Kasi hindi po ito madali i-formulate. And it costs us money. No? Yung team pa lang, nasa 10 kami, and then we paid more than 300,000 or 30,000. Siguro lahat-lahat. Para makuha namin to, we paid sa buong team 300,000 para ma-master namin ito. Yung training namin na pinuntahan namin. So good news is that you don't need to pay 30,000. You don't need, just pay 149 kasama na ito. Every Saturday, 8 p.m. If you're busy, may record naman. So natapos na tayo sa chart mastery. Nasa ano na tayo ngayon? 7 episode. But lahat yan may record, pwede namin ibigay. And then after that, matapos natin itong 8 episode, hanggang 8 episode lang tayo. Meron lang 2 na tira. Okay. Yung fifth strategy doon natin binagsak, yung fifth chart 2 weeks ago natin binagsak yung tinatawag natin na technical indicator na strategy, which ginagamit ni Coach Uncle Nonoy or Coach NJ. And then last Saturday binagsak natin yung live trading strategy ni Abdallah, which yun yung personally ginagamit ko at ni Coach JU, and sa most of the traders yun yung ginagamit nila. So ibabagsak namin lahat yan. So good thing about that, because again, hindi mo na kailangan mag-trial and error. Kukopyahin mo na lang yung strategy, kasi I tell you guys, kung mag-trial and error ka sa strategies, that will take you a lot of time and that will cost you a lot of capital. Kasi you need to capital para ma-develop mo yung mental toughness mo, kasi hindi mo ma-develop kung demo ka lang. Okay? So yun yung advantage. Kaya kung yung hindi pa nakapag-enroll dito, guys, wag na kayong maghinayang. Yung 149, education pa lang, hindi pa kasama yung mga tools na AI. Sulit na. Just like sa isang OFW that I'm so happy nakita ko yung screenshot niya kahapon. Kita niyo naman pangalan niya. Nag-withdraw siya sa Light Finance, 1,060. Ito guys, is withdrawal na to talaga. So withdrawal. So nawi-withdraw niya talaga to 671, and then 793. Nag-message siya dun sa community namin, sa GC na mga members. In 1 week, 2,524 in 1 week. Palakpak naman dyan. Kung sino yung mga gustong kumita ng ganito, palakpak naman dyan. Worth it ba na aralin mo kung kikita ka ng 100,000, 120,000 in 1 week? Worth it ba yung 149 mo? Guys, promise ko sa'yo, hindi ka magsisisi. Okay? At pagsisihan mo kung hindi ka mag-enroll. Okay? Kasi guys, in 1 week, okay. Kasi guys, tonight, nandito siya at interviewin natin siya. Sino dito gusto mag-interview sa kanya? Makuha natin kung ano yung mindset na, ano yung ginagawa niya, ano yung strategy niya. By the way, she's OFW. She's OFW, and gagawin kong add spotlight. Okay, she's OFW and nasa UAE siya. Okay, at I think nakita niyo na yung camera niya. Napakaganda. Bisaya din ito. Taga ano to? Taga Africa. Taga Sub-Saharan Africa. Guys, yung mga Bisaya lang na mga nakakaalam na mga ng ganito. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome si Ma'am Jedaline. How are you, Ma'am Jedaline? Good evening.
Hello everyone. Good evening sa Pilipinas and good afternoon dito sa UAE.
So, nasa UAE pala si Ma'am Jed. Ma'am,
Yes,
sabi nila, ay nasa abroad daw, marami daw pera, hindi na kailangan mag-sideline, hindi na kailangan mag-forex.
hindi naman totally, sir. So actually, 6 years na din ako dito and I'm a government employee. So
Okay.
full-time, 8 hours. Actually, sideline lang dati itong Forex eh. So actually, nag-start ako siguro mga last week ng October. So
Okay.
almost 5 months na din.
Pero ma'am,
Continuous
wait
pa
lang
rin yung
ma'am.
journey.
Nagtratrabaho ka sa UAE, sa Dubai, right?
Yes, sir.
And then, okay lang ba konting personal life mo, you're a mom. So at the same
Yes.
time, inaalagaan mo yung, kasi minsan di ba nag-zoom tayo, parang hinawak-hawakan ko mo yung anak mo. So you're working,
Yes,
at the same time you're a mom, of course you're a wife. Mayroon kang responsibility sa work mo, mayroon kang responsibility sa family mo. Kaya bang isabay itong forex trading at the same time busy ka sa work mo dyan?
Yes, coach. Only ano lang, time management lang talaga. So usually, after ng work, pag medyo may break time, ayan, nagte-trade ako manual.
Wow.
So, then after uwian, nagte-trade din ako since 4 p.m. dito yun yung opening ng New York session, which is yung magandang time talaga. I-discuss ko mamaya yung mga tips kung paano ko na-achieve yung strategy ko.
Wow, grabe. Baka pwede ma-invite sa Chart Mastery. May bagong coach at speaker na tayo, guys. Welcome yan kasi that's the purpose of the community. Ma'am, ganito. I talked with you before bago ka nag-enroll na
Yes,
mayroon
sir.
sanang community na sasalihan mo. Medyo mahalang doon. I think 1,500 USD.
Yung standard
Hindi
is
ka ba
999.
namahalan sa enrollment natin na 149 USD?
Well, actually, ito na lang siguro yung pinakamura as in. Kasi marami ng mga ano din dito, community na nagbibigay ng trainings, which is napakamahal, yung 999 trainings yon, webinar din actually, which is for me, masyadong mahal talaga. So, I found out Coach Nars through Facebook din. And eto, may results na ako, which is I'm
Wow.
so happy.
I'm so happy nag-breakthrough ka. 2,500 in 1 week, malaking kita yan. That's a very good result.
Yes,
But
Coach.
bago natin pag-usapan yan, I know na inaral mo rin, I know na inaral mo rin itong sa community natin. Nag-attend ka ba? Inaral mo ba yung EKA? Nag-attend ka ba sa mga webinar natin? Paano ka natuto
Yes.
sa community?
Actually, yung mga Saturday trainings na kinakandak nila Coach Nonoy, actually, isa yun sa
Saturday
naging
trainings, Chart Mastery.
way. Yes, yung especially yung sa mga technical indicators, yung ginagamit ko yung RSI, yung stochastic, and of course yung Manara na which is part ng EKA. Doon ako
Wow.
nagkukuha ng idea, nagbabalidate ako ng confirmation kung anong bias ba, buy ba or sell. Kasi doon may nakalagay ng technical indicator na strong buy or strong sell, which is yun yung pinaka naging advantage ng academy. For me ha. And then aside from that, yun yung mga lang din, yung tips ko lang. Nagte-trade ako through opening ng UK session, which is 4 p.m. ata sa
4
Pinas.
p.m.
And then
Okay.
New York session 9 p.m. So doon maganda yung volume. Doon ako sumasabay sa mga timings ng trading that time.
Take note nyo yan, guys. Importante yon. 4 p.m. PH time. PH time na lang kasi mayroon din taga-Russia, taga-Hong Kong. 4 p.m. PH time. Same kayo ni Coach Nonoy. Sa kanya, ganun din. At saka 9 p.m., 9:30 ako, doon ako magti-trade. Ma'am, I know, hindi ka lang kumita ngayon. I know before, your first month, I think, I heard that, I'm not sure, 200 USD or I'm not sure na at least sa first month mo kumita ka rin. Nabawi mo na kaagad yung 149. Tama ho ba?
Actually, sir, 2 days,
2 days lang?
after 1 week na nag-aral ako, then 2 days nag-live, actually 300 na agad yung kinita.
Wow, grabe. Palakpak naman
So,
natin dyan. Inaral niya, nag-live siya guys. 2 days lang. Kumita na siya kaagad ng 300 USD. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin kanina, Coach, kaya ba kung kikita ba ako dyan ng 100 USD lang para may pangbayad ako sa monthly? Sabi ko, bro, I promise you kung aaralin mo talaga. Kasi ito talaga ang
yes,
sekreto dito, aralin lang talaga. So guys, after inaral niya, after siya nag-live trading, 2 days, kumita siya ng 300. Ngayon, grabe, big time na si Madam. Big time yung mga taga-Sahara. 2,500. Sa peso yun, ika-convert mo sa peso yun, 1 week nakita mo. Magkano yun sa peso?
146,000 ata, 146K.
146,000 in
Yes.
peso. Parang 1
Oo.
month na dyan sa ibang nagtatrabaho sa UAE. Parang
Mas malaki pa sa sahod ko.
Ilang oras ka ba nagtitrade if you don't mind? 30 minutes a day? 1 hour a day?
Pagka hapon, siguro 30 minutes ganun.
30 minutes lang.
Tapos sa gabi din, pag free, mga 1 hour to 2 hours. Ganun. Pero
Wow,
hinahayaan
day
ko
trade ka
lang.
pala. Kasi yung iba, 15 minutes lang tapos na. Ako,
Nasunog.
nasa mga lang ako, not more than 30 minutes sa kanila. Ma'am, are you saying that ang training natin sa community at yung mga tools na ma-access natin sa economy, are you saying na sulit at masasabi mo ba talaga na malaking itulong ito sa trading journey mo?
Yes, very sulit siya, sir, actually, kasi isa siya sa naging way kung paano ako kumita. Especially itong mga libreng trainings na kinakandak, malaking tulong din to. So, psychologically, you have to have self-control din para maiwas yung greediness. Like
Tama.
this one na mag-over-trading. Kaya I invite someone kung i-invest nyo na lang naman sa mga copy trading or sa mga mag-i-invest ng money, invest on yourself to study. Kahit ako ngayon na continuous learning pa rin. And until now, nag-a-attend pa rin ako ng trainings.
Ano yung mga advice mo, ma'am, dun sa mga bago pa lang talaga nag-enroll at zero knowledge?
So, sa mga bago siguro, keep on learning. Masunugan
Yes.
ka, okay lang yun. Ako, nasunugan ako ng $800 bago ako
Wow.
nakapag-achieve nito. So, ang advice ko lang din, start your journey now, kahit sa demo lang muna.
Tama.
Kasi I know sa lahat hindi pa ready. At least nakapag-start na kayo, kaya wag niyo antayin na bibigyan na ng tax dyan sa Pinas kasi Forex is
Tama.
free tax talaga. Buong pera mo niyang makukuha. Although merong kaltas sa mga broker, pero
Tama.
yung Forex walang kaltas yan. So buong-buo mong makukuha. So yun lang. I hope makatulong and naka-inspire po sa inyong lahat.
Wow,
And
very
good luck din sa
inspiring,
journey.
guys. Ma'am Jedalyn, soon to be, actually, he's part of our coaching, Medyo tahimik lang siya kasi I understand that she's busy. Full-time mom, full-time employee, tapos full-time trader pa. But Ma'am Jed, we are so inspired. I'm so happy to see you. Actually, I know you were so busy. Hindi ko alam, busy ka na pala nag-trade. Imagine, guys, earning 2,500 in 1 week. Nagtatrabaho pa yan, full-time mom pa yan. So thank you so much, Ma'am Jed. Praying,
Always
wishing you
welcome,
keep
Coach.
winning. And I'm going invite kita sa chart mastery. Okay lang ba?
Okay lang,
Just to
Coach.
share, and then definitely I know you have an edge. I know kung magaling ka na. The first time we talk, alam ko magaling ka na, pero hindi mo madi-discredit, guys, yung time na inaral niya, yung time na binigay niya na talaga sa learning. Ma'am Jed, thank you so much. Keep winning, keep inspiring.
Welcome, Coach.
Guys, can you type emoji? Can you throw some reactions, heart if you like, or type number 1 if you appreciate yung pag-share ni Ma'am Jedaline sa story niya. Are you inspired? Wow, grabe, 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 grabe. Congratulations. All right. Wow, grabe. Moving on. Moving on. Move on na tayo. Hindi ako maka-move on ah. Parang ang sarap i-meditate itong 200 sarap i-meditate itong 254 in 1 week. Wow, galing, galing, galing. Congratulations again. Okay. So number 2, mindset number 2 guys. Mindset number 2. Okay, mindset number 1 is education and learning. Mindset number 2 guys is right people, right mindset. Kung tama yung grupo mo, tama rin yung mindset mo. Siyempre, kung yung mga negative yung mga sinagsasamahan mo, negative yung tinitingnan mo, mapapaepektuhan din yung puro negativity na din yung nasa mo. Kaya, thank you that you joined the community. You have a good decision to join the community. Pero may mas maganda pa nito guys, yung VIP natin. Kasi alam niyo naman na hindi lahat natin nilalagay doon sa general na community natin. Sa VIP talaga, doon talaga yung mga strategies, mga special trainings na binibigay namin at ma-access nyo yung tools. Okay. Right people, right mindset. Oh, we will be having this face-to-face bootcamp regularly. Sino gusto mag-attend? Sino gusto mag-attend? Patingin nga, me, or gusto mag-attend ng bootcamp regularly. By the way guys, buong Pilipinas to ha. And I'm planning to go to UAE para makapag-bootcamp tayo dyan sa UAE. Soon. Soon. Okay, marami. Kasi iba talaga yung face-to-face. Pero ito, may bayad kasi yung venue, yung pagkain natin, di ba? Sarap pa naman yung mga pagkain. So, may bayad ito. But ang purpose nito is, if you want to be successful, you need to have the right community. Right community is very important, guys. I tell you. Right community. Hindi, yung kahit isang halaman, mayroon siyang habitat. So, joining our community, it's better. Bakit? That's a cheat code. Community pa lang, it's a cheat code itself. The right people make you grow faster. Or right people, faster growth. Mas mabilis yung matuto ka, mas mabilis yung pag-aaral mo, and of course, mas mabilis kang kumita kung may community ka, kung may tamang community ka. Surrounding yourself with experience and like-minded traders help you learn proven strategies. Like I said, tama yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Jed, sabi niya, yung trainings ng technical analysis every Saturday at yung Manara na tools, AI pattern scanner natin at yung mga indicators na inaaral niya, malaking bagay yon ng pagiging profitable niya sa forex trading. So right mindset. So ibig sabihin, you don't need to again trial and error. Kung gusto mo, it's okay. Kasi ako nagta-trial and error talaga ako. Okay lang naman kung time lang yung mawala sa akin sa trial and error. Kaya lang most of the time capital yung mawawala sa trial and error. I don't need, kasi nadadaan din tayo sa mga failure. Normal yan, lahat ng business. Kung nagpa-practice tayo ng bisikleta, madadapa tayo, normal yan. Yung bata nag-aaral maglakad, dadadapa, normal yan. Importante, you keep on going. Having the right people will help you inspire. Kagaya, di natin alam, may nag-join dito, sabi niya, baka this is not really for me. Tapos nakita niya, ay, si Ma'am Jed, nakayanan niya. Busy siya sa work niya. Busy siya sa bahay niya, pero nakayanan niya. So that's very inspiring, na i-inspired ka sa community. And to avoid common mistake and to stay motivated. So tamang-tama yung guide community. Mayroon pa tayong community guys, the stronger. Tinitingnan ko yung mga potential at magagaling at tapos in-invite ko sila na maging core group or maging part of the coaches. Kasama na si Coach Jedaline. Actually, si Coach Jed is kasama na siya sa coaching natin pero hindi pa siya nagko-coach kasi naging busy siya. But this time, I would 100% love to invite him part of our coaching program sa community. Okay. So yan, right mindset, long-term success. Wrong mindset, hindi pa nga nakapag-start, mali na. May nagsabi sa akin, Coach, tsaka na ako mag-enroll kung alam ko na. Tama, mali. Mag-demo muna ako. Tama, mali. Tamang mindset or maling mindset? mag-demo muna ako. Okay, sige. So ako naman, para walang ano, okay, ito yung, here's how you do your demo. Here's the link to our broker. Mag-demo ka. Tapos, naisip ko, paano siya mag-buy? Paano siya mag-sell? Ano yung basis niya na mag-buy? Ano yung basis niya? Tsaka muna ako mag-enroll ko, alam mo na, kaya nga mag-enroll para malaman. Di ba? Kaya kailangan mo mag-enroll. Kahit bro, sasabihin ko sa'yo, kahit may 100,000 ka, sampal, another sampal. Kahit may 100,000 ka, kung hindi ka mag-spend ng 149, well, even if 1 million para, one wrong decision na market, kakainin yan. I was there. Malalaki na rin yung overall talo ko sa forex trading since I started before. Pero ngayon lang talaga ako nakabawing-bawi ng tamang community, may mga learnings. Ano ba yung mga apps na ginagamit natin? Basic, okay, basic MT5 trading app, okay. Now for tools, we have AI pattern scanner kapag ka-enrolled ka, okay, enrolled ka. We have also Solex, also exclusive app sa mga enrolled. Pero yung mga hindi naka-enrolled, ang ma-recommend ko is MT5 lang. At ano, at mag-aral ka yung sarili mo. Pero magkano lang naman yan kung mag-start ka ng business, di ba? 10,000, hindi nga lang makapag-start ng tamang business yan. Okay? So, right mindset, long-term success. Trading requires discipline, patience, emotional control. Meron din iba, coach, gusto ko kumita ko kaagad. Pag join ko kumita, pwede ba? Yes, meron. Meron, I'm not saying. Kasi, di ba, si Ma'am Jed, di ba? Pero before siya nag-live, nag-demo mo na siya. Before mo siya nag-demo, inaral mo na niya ang academy. Okay? Tapos kumita siya. Pwede. Pero yung pag-enroll mo tapos kikita ka agad, hindi. Kasi lahat yan may proseso yan. Emotional control. So a winning mindset helps you stay consistent. Especially overcoming fear, overcoming greed, no? Handle setbacks. Okay, meron tayong training nito na tinatawag natin trading psychology. Iba din yung trading psychology, iba din yung winning psychology. Okay. So, para ma-handle mo, paano mo siya i-handle? Yung mga setbacks, yung pagkatalo mo, pag nag-negative ka, how do you handle that one? Okay. Right community will support and guide you. Mayroon kang guidance. Pwede kang mag one-on-one kung gusto mo. Mayroon din tayong one-on-one coaching. Of course, mag-add-on ka lang. Okay? Kasi, guys, hindi madali magturo. Even itong ginagawa ko, hindi madali. Supposedly, today is the birthday of my eldest daughter. Supposedly, we have time together to bond, but this one is a sacrifice for the community na rin. At sa binild ko na community. So, we had an early dinner. So, we had 5 p.m. dinner namin and then 6:30 tapos na kami, 7 na sa bahay na kami para makapag-conduct ng ganito. So, ito yung maganda sa community, mayroong ang guidance. May pagpatanungan ka, mahirap eh. Paano ba mag-deposit? Paano mag-withdraw? Paano mag-buy? Paano mag-sell? Anong nangyayari dito? Mali, di ba? So, kung may community ka, lalo na dun sa VIP community, maraming mga coaches doon, mayroon kang mapagtanungan. So, mag-guide ka talaga. So, hindi ka ma-stuck into one section na matatagalan ka kasi may community, mayroon kang support and guidance. A strong trading community provides insights, real-time updates, emotional support, helping track na ganyan. May sinasabi, bro, mali yata yung ano mo, lot size, masyadong malaki para sa capital. Okay, thank you po, ganyan. So, mga ganun yung importante sa community, labi na sa VIP community. Alright? So, ganun. So, number 3. Short lang tayo guys kasi magti-trade. Maraming salamat pala sa nag-greet. My eldest daughter. Okay? 15-year-old na. Okay. Willing to pay the price. Like I said, success comes with a price. Are you willing to pay the price? Or you must, sabi ng Lesbon, you must be willing to do what others won't do to achieve what others won't achieve. Habang yung iba nag-Christmas party, si Ma'am Marichu nag-aral sa academy, nag-aral sa trading, nag-aral sa ECA natin. Kasi yun yung gusto mong mayroon kang bagong resulta. So kung gusto mo may resulta na makukuha ka, mayroon kang bagong gagawin sa buhay mo. So yun yung, are you willing to pay the price? In short, willing ka bang magbayad sa 100%? Biro lang. Kaya part yun sa mga price na babayaran mo actually. Pero yung totoong price na sinasabi dito is yung mga time na nag-aral ka, instead na mag-Facebook ka, instead na manood ka sa Netflix, instead na mag-YouTube ka, dito muna kasi dito at least kikita ka ng dollar. So willing to pay the price. Okay? Tama yung mga questions kanina, guys. If you have more questions, you can throw it here in the chat section, ha. Feel free to ask questions. Yung nag-ask kanina ng ano ba yung app na ginagamit natin. That's a very good question. By the way, yung hindi pa nakasali sa GC, meron ba? I-message nyo lang nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight, Facebook page or person that I joined the webinar para maka-join kayo sa GC. Pero importante po talaga na may community. Willing to pay the price means you're being prepared for necessary sacrifice and endure. Ginagawa mo kung anong ginagawa ng iba. Here's a good story of Kobe Bryant, sabi ni Tim Grover. I know some of you mahilig sa basketball. During the time na nag-champion sila sa Olympics, yung lahat ng mga sila, Paul George, Kawhi Leonard, yung grupo nila, nagparty sila. So umuwi sila maaga na. Pero na-amaze sila sa pag-uwi sila sa maaga kasi si Kobe Bryant hindi siya nagpa-party. Pag-uwi nila ng umaga, kaka-champion lang nila sa Olympics. Pag-uwi nila sa umaga, nahiya sa sarili nila. Kasi si Kobe Bryant was already in the gym working out. Yun yung tinatawag na necessary sacrifice. Ano yung ginagawa ng iba, gagawin mo para makuha mo yung hindi makukuha ng iba. Ulitin ko. Kung ano yung hindi ginagawa ng iba, yun yung gagawin mo para makukuha mo yung hindi nakakuha ng iba. No? Para makapag-Land Cruiser ka, yun yung goal ko today, guys. By the way, I already fixed my mind. Land Cruiser Prado LC 250, that's my goal. Okay, that's my goal. Post ko yan. Kasi, part yan. So, may mga sacrifices ka talaga dapat gawin. Okay. So, financial commitment, this also refers to the money that you might need to invest on tools, education, and capital. Okay, tama yan kasi it's business after all. May nagsabi siya, akala ko libre. Okay, libre yung webinar natin, but ang business, madam, business ito. Okay, everything you need to plant para makapag-harvest kayo. So, kailangan dito is may konting, ano ba naman yung 149? Akala ko nga yan, 149,000. When I asked my friend, bro, magkano ba dyan para makapag-start? Sabi niya, 149, bro. Okay, sabi ko, okay, 149,000. Because in my mind, being an entrepreneur, 200,000 is an even very small amount of capital to start a business. Tapos sabihin mo sa akin, 149,000. Sabi ko, okay lang. Pero only to find out that 149 USD lang pala. So, nag-game ako kaagad. So, yun, the rest is history. December, kakuha tayo ng bagong kotse, Montero. So, yun yung nangyari. Ito pala si Coach Eman. Babalikan ko sa kanya yung story kasi siya, 67 na siya, pero willing siya mag-travel, willing siya pay the price, kaya willing siya magbayad sa mga trainings. Kaya, talaga siya, regular yung result niya talaga sa trading. Okay. Hindi ko alam mag-ano yung mga result niya ngayon, but I know talaga consistent yung pagkapanalo niya. Kasi alam ko, naka-develop na siya ng strategies. Okay. So, kung tatanong kayo, ano yung strategies ni Coach Eman, mayroon siyang indicator na ginagamit. At the same time, mayroon siyang AI trading. Mayroon tayong AI trading, a wealth builder and wealth gainer. Inaaral niya yung mga move doon ng AI, tapos sinasabayan niya. Kasama din yung mga indicator na sinishare namin. But itong US30, it's a new strategy. Ito yung live trading strategy. Okay. I-share namin lang lahat. Ibabagsak namin yan in a different tradings. But for opportunities sa lahat ng mga pag-enroll, may access kayo dyan. Being willing to pay the price, you'll really embrace the journey. Willing to pay the price, meaning to say, willing ka rin na makuha yung goal mo. Willing to pay the price, ibig sabihin, willing ka na gusto mo makuha. Di ba kanina sabi ko, magkano yung gusto nyo? You want 500 USD? You want 1,000 USD per week? You want 2,500 per week? Kaya ni Coach Jed. Okay, if you're willing that, you're also willing to pay the price. Kasi if you're willing to pay the price, willing ka makuha mo. Kaya normally, I said dun sa introduction to Forex webinar ko, sabi ko, ma'am, if you're not willing to invest, that means you're not willing to earn. That's it. Sorry guys, another real talk. Sampal talk na naman. If you're not willing to invest, ibig sabihin, you're not willing to earn. May kita ba ang negosyante na gustong kumita na hindi nag-capital, hindi nag-business? Di ba? So, basic na basic yan, guys. Alright. Last two. Okay. Take on 100% responsibility. The solution is within you. Maraming nag-trade na nagkamali, blame na yung community, blame niya yung coach nila, blame nila yung mentor nila. But guys, to be successful, long-term successful, you take on 100% responsibility. Kasi, kung hindi natin iti-take on the responsibility, hindi natin ma-fix yung sarili natin. Hindi natin ma-adjust yung dapat natin i-adjust. Okay? At normal yan yung pagkatalo talaga. Sabi nga ni Coach, nasunugan din siya 800 USD. Normal yan. The same in business, di ba? Hindi lahat nagnegosyo naging milyonaryo. Maraming negosyo talaga na nagsara pa. Ako, mga 8-9 business yun I put up when I started being an entrepreneur. Lahat yun nasara. Before ako naging successful dun sa business ko ngayon. So normal yan. Pero you take 100% responsibility. Okay. Blaming is a very, very toxic mindset. Okay. Si John Wooden, one of the famous coach in NCAA, siya yung nag-culture na kung mananalo sila, yung credit sa mga player. Pero kung matatalo sila, credit sa kanya. He took the blame personally. Siya yung nagpauna ng ganyan. Siya kaya nga naging one of the best coach in NCAA kasi pag natalo siya, hindi niya biniblame yung mga players niya. He blame on herself. Ano mangyayari kapag we took the blame? Taking 100% responsibility in forex trading. It's crucial that shift our focus to, instead of external blame, mali yung market, guys. You cannot manipulate the market unless you have trillions on it na iblalagay mo para babaguhin mo maraming buyers at saka maraming sellers. You cannot blame your coach kasi kayo yung nagtitrade. Guys, I'm sorry, I've said it's real talk, sampal ito. But if you take 100% responsibility of your trade, if your mistake, mayroon kang internal control. Ibig sabihin, inaalaw mo na may mga things na talaga na dapat i-adjust. Owning your actions to switch allow you, ito yung pinakamaganda, allow you to learn from your mistake. Blaming doesn't allow you to learn. Balik kasi si coach hindi nag-reply. Actually, hindi naman namin talaga accountability yung mga trade ninyo kasi kayo yung nagtitrade at saka you don't pay us to do one-on-one coaching for you. You pay us to access the training, you pay us to access the tools, and then we give you. Bonus na itong community, bonus na itong may mga mag-question kayo, minsan tinatawagan namin kayo para i-guide kayo. Bonus na yan. But we just gusto lang namin maging successful kayo. But if you want to be successful in forex trading, ngayon pa lang, you take 100% responsibility. Copy? Can you type 100%? Or just 100 na lang. Can you type 100? Copy? Copy. Okay, nag-lip na group na ba lahat? Okay lang. Kasi alam ko naman, success is not for everyone. Okay. Hindi ito para sa mga, guys, hindi ito para sa mga mahihinang nilalang. Hindi ito para sa mga mahihinang loob. Just like in any business. Just like yung mga abroad. Ag-abroad ka, tapos iyak-iyak ka, mahina yung loob. No, hindi. Para ito sa mga matitibay. Para ito sa mga kanino bumabangon. May mga why. May mga purpose. May mga self-motivated and inspired na kahit nadadapa ka, kasi alam mo mayroon kang gustong gawin sa buhay mo. Kasi alam mo gusto mong baguhin yung buhay mo. Kahit nadadapa ka, babangon ka. Kasi minsan kailangan natin madadapa many times. Manalo ng isang beses. Yun na yun. Yun na yung breakthrough mo. Okay. Yun na yung breakthrough mo. Oh. Bawal mahina, but be humble. Of course, be humble. Anyway, that's your definition. But for me, to be successful, you need to handle head-on talaga yung situation mo. Okay? So, yun yung you take 100% responsibility. Blaming factors can lead to frustration. Kaya na-frustrate yung iba kasi biniblame nila yung mali na nila, yung emotion sa trading, biniblame nila ganyan. Mali daw si Signal. Si Signal maganda yun kung alam mo yung technical analysis. Si Manara mas maganda kung alam mo technical analysis. Aralin mo yung technical analysis sa chart mastery natin. 'Di ba? Mas na-appreciate mo yung Manara. Kasi nababasa mo na yung candle eh. Nandun yung candlestick, nababasa, alam mo na yung doji, alam mo na yung bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, alam mo na yung three black rose, alam mo na yung harami, 'di ba? Alam mo na yung head and shoulders, triple top. Alam mo na yung mga patterns na ganyan. So mas madali na lang talaga. Okay? Mas madali na lang talaga. So, guys, isang tip lang sa inyo, if yung mga nagtitrade na, mag-journal kayo. Lahat ng mali at lahat lang yung talo, i-take note nyo. I-take note nyo. Kasi, the more ka nag-journal, the more mabilis kang ma-learn. Mabilis kang matuto, mabilis kang kumita. Okay, may magaling dito mag-journal si MJ. Coach MJ, grabe, magaling mag-journal yan. Okay, si Coach MJ, nandyan ka ba, Coach MJ? Okay, in a short while, interview natin. Magaling to mag-journal at saka consistent yung profitability niya. Okay. I think we're done this one, but just close this one. Shift to focus on blaming instead of creating solution. So instead magbe-blame ka, hindi ka makapag-create ng solution. And in a world of Forex, you need to create solution. Ay, ano kaya dapat? Hinintay ko yung confirmation, confluences, dapat hinintay ko mag-break. Tsaka, hindi mo na maisip yan kung nag-blame. Kasi mali si kasi mali si ganyan. So, are you with me? So, you need to create solutions. And even in business, business is creating solution to the problem. Kasi kung hindi mo masosolve yung problem, you don't have the business. So, ganun yan. So, number 5, ito na. This is my last. Then, I'm going to interview MJ and then we're closing this one because we're going to trade. Anong oras na ba? Okay. Ay, malapit na. Sobra. Okay. So, guys, profitable traders use tools. Yes, use tools. Imagine karpintero nga may mga tools. Trading pa kaya na malaking capital ang nilalagay mo dito. Okay, kailangan tools. Imagine guys, nagpaayos ka ng kotse mo. Tapos yung mekaniko ang dala niya pliers at saka martilyo. Ano kaya yung feeling mo? Yung Fortuner mo, yung Mustang mo, pinaayos mo, ang dala niya is pliers at saka martilyo, 'di ba? Compared sa dun sa punta ka sa shop, grabe yung mga tools nila, grabe. Tapos mayroon siyang mga scanners, no? AI pattern scanners, 'di ba? Ngayon may mga mekaniko, yung mekaniko talaga kasi may ligo sa kotse, may mga scanner na. So masasabi ko talaga na legit ito talaga na mekaniko kasi may tools. Ganoon din sa trading, guys. Legit traders, may tools yan. Kahit gaano kagaling man yan, may tools yan. Maniwala ka sa akin. May tools na ginagamit yan. Bakit? Ang tools kasi, nag-develop ng precision at speed. Nag-develop ng precision. Kasi alam naman natin sa trading timing. At alam naman natin sa trading accuracy. So kung may tools ka, mayroon kang speed, mayroon kang accuracy. So in the fast-moving market traders who learn, leverage AI and smart tools, gain significant edge, mayroon kang lamangers ka, or you have advantage, okay, over those who rely solely on guys, I don't criticize manual trades. I'm a manual trader. Manual strategist, matagal ako nag-manual, guys, kaya matagal din ako natalo, okay, but iba talaga kung may tools ka, maniwala ka, iba talaga kung may tools ka. Kasama yan sa 149, hindi ka magsisisi. Coach yan si MJ, kaya mag-explain. Si Coach MJ, mayroon ka ng fans. Lamangers ka kung may AI tools ka. Okay, let's say for example, this one. Bago to, kahapon to, maraming paldo dito. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Jed kanina na Manara, at saka ito yung AI pattern scanner at the same time. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Marichu kanina sa interview na Manara. Okay. This one is NCD M15 Gartley. Okay, M15 Gartley. Dito ka pumasok. Ito actually mag-ano na siya, mag-scan na siya. Siya na yung magawa nito, hindi ka na magdo-draw dito, naka-scan na siya ng Gartley pattern. Tapos magsasuggest na siya, ito yung entry mo. Okay? Ito yung SL mo. Kita mo yan, hindi nakuha yung SL. Okay? Pagpasok sa presyo dito, entry ka. Pag entry mo dito, first candle, maybe nag-retrace ng konti, first candle umakyat, second candle, N15 to guys, ibig sabihin, 30 minutes lang, TP1 at TP2 ka na. Ganon kabilis kung may AI tools ka. Kita nyo naman, tuloy-tuloy yan. Nag-retrace, kung nag-trade ka pa rin dito, TP3 and 4 ka pa. Okay? Another bot pattern, ito naman is USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Okay? So maraming pumaldo din dito. Ito yung entry zone. Pagpasok sa presyo, pag-abot ng presyo dito, pasok ka, mag-entry ka. Buy signal ito stop loss. TP1 nakuha. Nag-range siya sa TP1, nag-chop siya, consolidate. Tapos umakyat, kinuha ilang yung TP2, tapos bumalik. Very accurate. Precision and speed. Yun yung advantage kung may AI tools ka. Lalo na kung alam mo basahin to. Alam mo kung paano gasahin itong mga candles na ito. Alam mo kung saan dito yung doji. Okay, alam mo kung ano yung mga rejections ng mga wicks. So, mas lalo pa, mas gagaling ka pa. Alright?
Wow, guys, TP. Congrats.
Tools natin guys, live trading. Mamaya every 9:30 p.m. live trading. Okay. Live trading isa sa results, latest results natin, live trading. Kapon nag-600 ako USD. Live trade lang. Ito, 400. Isang araw lang yan guys, live trade. Mayroon kang access sa expert signal. Mayroon itong strategies. Ito yung Saturday, shinare namin. Baka tomorrow mag-review ako ng konti kasi maraming nagtanong before move on to different strategies. Okay? So, kung busy ka talaga, meron tayong tinatawag na wealth gain or AI. Okay, wealth gain or AI. So, automatic siya. Nag-average to 10% to 15%. Wala kang gagawin nito, guys. Wala kang gagawin. Yes, access mo rin ito sa halagang 149. Stress-free. Ang maganda dito is gold yung tinetrade niya. Starting capital is 300. Imagine kung may 1 million ka, kung makita ng 10% per month, wala kang ginagawa. Mayroon kang 100,000, wala kang ginagawa. Which is this one. Kaway-kaway yung mga nakapag-wealth gainer dyan na positive po. Sang-ayon ba kayo na hindi nag-negative even in one day? Yes. Meron siyang mga floating negative but enclosed talaga hindi. So, kaway-kaway yung mga may wealth gainer at may wealth builder dyan. Sa GC, di ba, nag-screenshot, this is my wealth gainer, yan. So, AI yan, yun sa mga BC. So, most of us, yung iba, meron kaming AI trade, meron din kaming manual trade, meron kaming tools na ginagamit. Alright? So, yun yung ano natin. And then, may time pa ba tayo? Hi, Coach MJ. Good evening. Okay. Wait, I'm looking for your camera. Here, I'll put you in the spotlight. Would you like to share something yung sa strategies and tools na ginagamit natin lately? Kasi nakita ko very consistent talaga yung profitability mo at yung taking notes mo sa journal. How important it is na may community ka, na may strategy ka, na fina-follow. Kasi I know nagtitrade ka na rin before. But how important it is na may strategy sa community, i-follow mo lang. Ganon siya kadali. Gano'n siya kadali, Coach?
Hi everyone, yan, maraming salamat coach. Madaliin ko lang to kasi I'm sure mag-aabdala na, naka-standby na din ako. Anyways, siguro yung encouragement ko na lang sa lahat kasi to be honest, sobrang dami ng features ni Economy. Tapos may additional pa si Coach Nars sa community natin. As in talagang ikaw na lang yung ma-overwhelm, no? So look for what is fit sa sa lifestyle mo. No, may iba may gusto kay Manara, may iba ako personally I love live trading with Abdallah kasi yun yung pinaka convenient din ako na time kasi gabi na dito, wala na akong ginagawa sa business ko. So yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga na 5 to 10 minutes lang magte-trade ka. Pero it's all about discipline. So sobrang dali lang talaga ni yung live trading with Abdallah, especially if nakita nyo yung chart mastery with Coach Gio. And tama yung sabi ni Coach, no, etong psychology ng trading, minsan kasi hindi ka naman matatalo dahil sa sa strategy. Natatalo ka because of your emotions. Yun talaga. Actually, I will share soon, no, hindi pa siguro ngayon, pero may challenges din ako na napagdaanan na talagang one example na lang siguro, yung live account, ginawa ko siyang demo account habang ini-explain ko sa girlfriend ko, ito yung ginagawa ko, ito yung kitaan, 'di ba? Which is very wrong. 'Di ba? Lalo na pag, sorry to say this, ako guilty ako dito, pag mataas na yung ego natin, lalo na pag nanalo ka, be careful with that. That's something that will really kill you along the way sa sa trading journey mo kasi lalo na pag nanalo ka na ng malaki, ayaw mo nang bumalik sa demo account, ayaw mo nang mag-backtest, ayaw mo na ng maliit na kita, 'di ba? Because kumita ka na nga ng malaki, 'di ba? But remember, at the end of the day, kahit gaano kalaki yung kinita mo, sa isang iglap lang kayang mawala lang lahat pag wala kang pag wala kang trading journal, pag wala kang hinihit, pag wala kang goal. Alright? So, yan, siguro for me, yun yung pinaka maganda, lalo na with ako, believer talaga ako ni Abdallah. Yan. Thank you, Coach.
Wow, grabe. Thank you, Coach MJ. Coach MJ kasi guys, frequent run, regular yan, nagsisend ng mga post niya. May ano pa yan, may spreadsheet pa yan. Siguro soon, later, isi-share niya kung paano niya ginagawa kasi he is trying to hit his goal. Ang maganda sa kanya is nakaano talaga, may game plan talaga yung trading niya. Sabi ko nga, bro, baka pwede mong ma-share yung game plan mo talaga. Naka-game plan talaga yan, may spreadsheet pa yan. Ganun yung strategy niya using also the strategy of the community. Guys, wala na tayong oras, guys. Ito yung closing statement ko. Hindi ka magsisisi kung pinag-aralan mo itong forex trading. Hindi ka magsisisi talaga. Kung ano yung nakuha nila, mas sobra pa yung makukuha mo. Magkano lang naman yung 149. Just below 10,000 compared sa makinita nila. Ang laki-laki yung makinita nila. So if you're willing to risk, that means you're willing to earn. And if you're not willing to invest, that means you're not willing to earn. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Stay tuned sa record. May record ito. God bless you all. Magti-trade pa ako. Ready na yung position ko for the trade. God bless, guys.